I told y'all I'm going in. We finna go in. This could be you. But you wasn't here. But you wouldn't want to be here anyway. This is some different shit. Gotta go.
You done licked it. You done tasted it.
Going in.
See, now you done went from one thing to another.
Chop it off.
Well, I'm just saying.
Watch me work it. Money Scar Stereo, aka, you know, me, how I do. Gotta go.
Oh, no. It come with it, though. Yeah.
Mistake one.
What's the mistake?
Got the wrong side of this right here.
Oh, damn it.
That ain't a big issue. That's it. Basically, yeah, it sits right on top of, unless I cut too much out. Nope, I didn't. Okay. So it sits, it's still on this seam line right, so right on top of that. I ain't mess with it long enough, we're gonna figure out something. That's for sure. This just up. What you need?
Wire cut.
Okay, the back line is cleared up. Got to clear out this side all the way up to over here. Get this out of here. Same thing on this side. And then we're gonna test fit it. That's the goals for today. This being Thursday. Work day. Money Scar Stereo, we out of here. Well, sometimes you gotta go. You gotta go. Let's clean it up and get ready for the new stuff. Like I said, this is all a learning curve for me. But the best thing you can do if you own your own stuff, if you mess up, it's your stuff. You can solve it. It's not a problem. Now, you can't play test pilot on somebody else's stuff. That could be bad. That can cost you money. That's what we don't want to do. Cost me money. So on my own stuff, not a problem. We out. Overcut over here. That's okay, we'll tap this back together over here. Ain't worry too much about that. Okay, test fit number 2. Right, peel the corner back, baby. All access. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Okay, hold on. We're going in straight. Spin your back toward me. Straighten it up. Push. Get your hand out the way. Push it straight to the edge. Go right at that. Okay. Peel the whole quarter panel back a little bit. Right. Stop like that. Okay, so
assassination attempt.
Peel that a little further.
President Alan Trump addressed the other world leaders at the G20 tensions with Russia. Sources say
okay, don't tear him off. I'm trying to push that back. I might need that for something later on.
exact. I would have come to you.
Yeah. Okay, we can stop for a second. Let me eyeball this, but we're close. Okay, so we lose these.
That's right.
That one's way over.
A very heroic FBI agent. Wait, corner detailed photos of things together.
Oh, this goes on to oh, that's good. But anyway, I'm going to chop some of this and let it fold up and fold it back down. It's like slide in where I think it should go. Or yeah.
Since this is his last day before retirement, Davis gets the honor of marching you right out the front door.
Yeah, because it's gonna drop in there. Something will have to get modified. Okay, back it out. Sit up on it. What do you have from here, man? Thanks, brother. Yours are in? Okay, so once we get it past here, it'll drop, but tap it. Oh, yours is already in.
Yeah, mine's already in.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Wait, let me get a hammer.
More.
Let's see. I have to fold it down.
Hold on. I think
Well, I've been playing around with different welders I got borrowed. Got that wire line, feed one, the flux welder. So now, I said, you know what, Robert? Since you got these projects on your mind, we might as well gain some experience at the same time. Stop playing with the game. So I bought me a company called Eastwood. Got me a MIG welder with all the accessories. and this one takes gas. So my previous stuff I have does not run off of gas. Regulator. So these right here should produce a way better weld. Yeah, so this should give us a whole better get down. So it looks like, oh, I need to go buy it. Oh, gotta gas hose, gotta get the wire, gotta take the shield. So go ahead. We got the flux wire style MIG over there. Chicago Freight, Harbor Freight scenario. Crazy story behind that thing. I bought this thing over 10 years ago and never could weld anything with it. Always burnt holes in it. But, you know, nobody told me what was going on. Turns out, a friend of mine came by and said, Rob, here, check this out. You can use my welder. Let me see yours. I had the wrong wire in the thing the whole time, for all these years. I needed flux cord wire to weld gasless. The carbon steel MIG wire is for gas welding. So we got that out the way. It started working semi-right. I bought another one, the newer version of it, and I got that one from my homeboy, the newer version of it. The wire feed system is different, so as you see, the hose still got the wrapper on it. He said, Rob, use this. Way better results. Same machine, just a newer version. But the wire feed system is way better. So I said, okay, let's push the level. Go ahead, upgrade yourself. So I went and bought stand, some gas. I got the wire that I could use from the other machine still, so I can use that. Let's get this joker set up, since I got these old school projects that need some welding. So, you know, it's a learning process, so we're gonna see. What's the worst I can do? Mess it up? I know some people can fix some stuff, so it's alright. Got it in.
Here is just the beginning of the next one. Patron, simply perfect.
Yeah. Hey, we worked that back wall, making it happen.